Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can go to our channel and watch the videos from there. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about ad group theming in Google Ads. So let's get to know what is ad group theming. Okay. So theming is essentially grouping together similar keywords in an ad group. It is a good idea to be granular when theming keywords. This improves the chances of a keyword being relevant to the ad group. So we can see here is an example of ad group theming. So we can see there are three ad groups available here. Number one is sofa cleaning, second one is carpet cleaning, and the last one is rug cleaning. So we can see all of these keywords are related to this ad group. Okay, like sofa cleaning is related to sofa cleaning service, sofa cleaning services, and the second one is carpet cleaning. And we can see the keywords are related to carpet cleaning service, carpet cleaning services. And the last one is also similar, like ad group name is rug cleaning. So we are targeting keywords like rug cleaning service, rug cleaning services. Okay. Yeah. So let's take a practical example and implement it in our Google Ads. Okay. So for example, we will be discussing or will be seeing this website. Like I want to create multiple ad groups for this roof installation and roof repair services. So I have already researched some keywords related to this landing page like roof installation and roof repair. I will create two ad groups here. One is roof installation and second one is roof repair. Okay, so I have researched keywords on group installation and group like as it will be a themed keyword. So I will put the keywords like roof installation near me, roof flashing installation, roof installation cost, flat roof installation, rubber roof installation, slate roof installation, tin roof. That means your keyword should be relevant or messes this ad group. Okay, like you can see all of these keywords are contained group installation. So this is called ad group theming. And for the roof repairing ad group, I have also maintained the same rule, like roof repair is presented in all of our keywords like roof repair near me, roof repair cost, roof leak repair near me, emergency roof repair near me, flat roof leak repair, local roof repairs contractors. Okay, so let's implement it on our Google Ads. So I have created a campaign called roof service campaign. So I will create two ad groups here. So let's create it. First one would be for roof installation. Okay, so I'll copy it and name it as roof installation, and I will put the keywords from here related to roof installation. Okay, so I have a detailed video on Google Ads keywords research. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video, I would suggest you to go and watch it. Okay, so yeah, I have put all of these keywords here and I will click save and continue. Okay, and it will tell me to create new ads, but I will create ads video in later part. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to give the URL related to roof installation. Okay, and you need to write the ad copy related to roof installation and related to this keywords. Okay, so yeah, and I will create another ad group called Root Repair Ad Group. Okay, so I'll click on plus button and name it as Root Repair Ad Group, and I will paste those keywords from here that I researched for roof repair, and I will paste them here actually. So you can see our roof repair ad group is containing this sort of keywords. That means all of the keywords are related to roof repair. So this is the basic definition or basic rules of ad group theming in our Google Ads. Okay, so hopefully you have a clear understanding on ad group theming in your Google Ads. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. You have a good day. Bye bye.